If you want to change how a game launches on Epic Games, whether that means improving performance, forcing a specific graphics mode, or tweaking how the game opens, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the launch options in Epic Games Launcher and how to apply them correctly. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the launcher, look at the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, go into Settings. This is where Epic Games keeps a lot of the launcher preferences and game-specific options. Now scroll down through the settings page until you find the section for your installed game. It will usually appear under Manage Games, so take your time and locate the title you want to change. Once you find the correct game, look for the option called Additional Command Line Arguments and enable it. This is the setting that allows you to add custom launch options for that specific game. After you turn it on, you'll see a box where you can type in your launch arguments. This is where you enter the command you want Epic Games to use when the game starts. For example, you might type something like -DX11 if you want the game to launch using DirectX 11, or -Fullscreen if you want it to open in full screen mode. Depending on the game, there may be other supported arguments too, so always make sure the option you're using is compatible with the game you're launching. After entering your launch options, double-check that everything is typed correctly. Even a small typo can cause the command to be ignored, so it's worth reviewing before you continue. Once you're happy with it, close the Settings panel. Your changes are now saved, and the next time you launch the game through Epic Games, those command line arguments will be applied automatically. Now simply start the game normally from your library, and Epic Games will use the launch options you entered. If the game opens the way you expected, then everything worked correctly. If not, you can always go back into settings and adjust the arguments or remove them if needed. That's really all there is to it. Using game launch options in Epic Games is a simple way to customize how your games run, and once you know where the setting is, it only takes a minute or two to set up. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.